Hello, Santa is coming to town, and today the team has a small gift for both you and me. This is a snowboard-like Sherpa jacket, and as usual, what is so interesting about this jacket from a manufacturing perspective? So, welcome back to Apparel Assessment. This is Vietnam Textile Insider. Coming from a professional manufacturing background here in Vietnam, I would say these Sherpa jackets look surprisingly premium. From designing to finishing, there's a lot of strong indicator that it's been made with real care. So, if you're planning to produce fashion items of your own, stick around. This video will show you exactly how to produce product like this to look more expensive. This jacket comes from a weather-resistant apparel brand that sells mainly in Italy, and its current retail price is over $220. This is a man jacket with an easy-to-wear regular fit and a simple single-layer construction. The design takes inspiration from classic trucker jackets. It has fold-down collar, center front snap, dual chest pockets, and a shorter body length. The collar feels strong and structured, and the snap buttons are made coat with raised logo embossing. This is a detail that instantly makes the piece look more premium. A few other elements has been reworked, like the button material. The cuff has been elasticized. This has a clean bond helm, and the pocket snap has been removed, all to give the jacket a more casual and approachable look. This jacket is actually quite lightweight. Let me read the composition tag for you. 100% polyester, Sherpa with polar. Alternative material for this kind of product can also be wool, acrylic, or a mix between polyester and cotton. Fabric structure of this jacket. This is a double layer polar fabric. One side is a smooth fleece and the other is a Sherpa brush fleece. This combination gives a cozy, skin-friendly, and a medium level of warmth. With polyester material, it's very user-friendly. You can wash and care for it with basic laundry setting, with no special maintenance requirements. That's actually not the case if you choose the alternative material like wool. Now, let's take a look inside. Brands can use beautiful words to describe how perfect their products are or to hype up a basic features. That's part of retail marketing. But for us, these small and subtle details, they never lie. So, following are the details that, in our opinion, significantly elevate the value of a jacket like this. The seams are impressively flat, clean and consistent, even on such a thick and fluffy fabric. The sleeves are lined with a smooth fabric, making it much easier to slip your arms in, especially when you're already wearing another layer underneath. Pocket bags is anchored with stabilizing tape. It's a tiny details, but it shows care. You know how pockets flip inside out when you wash it, or it swing around when you walk with heavy thing inside? This prevents all of that. I have checked a few other jackets here and found similar features on premium brands like merino wool jackets from Dark Londons, but not from those more affordable brands. The neckline is finished with a woven binding tape, so the collar seam won't rub against your skin. The sleeve seams align perfectly with the cup rib seams. There's a facing piece at the base of the collar, helping the collar fold neatly into shape. To compare, I also brought another jacket with non-facing collar. With fleece like this, if you don't guide the fold, you almost certainly end up with a floppy, messy looking collar. In insider's eyes, these details speak louder than any marketing trick. The manufacturer and the brand actually paid for those details. These confidential operation bulletins retrieved from the factory further prove our points. This single layer jacket is required to meet level 1 finishing, the highest level with total of 91 steps in the process. With so many sub-operations, it tells you that the sewing workflow is extremely meticulous. This tiny pocket stabilizing tape alone takes 6 steps to complete, and the sleeve lining is another 5 steps. In bulk production, every second matters, especially when you are scaling up to 10 or even 100,000 of pieces. So in another word, These small details truly show the dedications of the brand. Finally, to our grading sections. The complexity of this jacket is 4 out of 10. It's a simple single layer jacket. The finishing quality, based on the neat and well construct, all the seal slides really flat, it's easy 9 out of 10. For the pricing, you can sort this in Vietnam with the price of 16 to 20 US dollar, or the quantity of 10,000 pieces. I hope this video feels like a Christmas gift from someone who spent years in garment manufacturing. A little guide to help you evaluate whether your Sherpa jackets or other fashion items worth the price or not. And beyond that, I truly hope it inspires you to refine and elevate your upcoming collection with these small but incredible details. Thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas! Ooh. If you're looking for reliable manufacturing here in Vietnam or simply need some honest advice about the apparel industry, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We are always happy to help. And now, we will see you next time.
If you're looking for a reliable manufacturing partner in Vietnam or need consultation about the local textile market, feel free to contact us via the information below. We're always open for collaboration and sourcing support.